So what do you do and where are you from?
I am from Lake Havasu City, Arizona, and I'm a professional geologist for ElleyKnowsRocks.
And ElleyKnowsRocks is your company?
Yeah.
Because it's Elley.
Yes.
See? See, I got to the heart of it. Well, welcome to the show. You know, we've been known to give away a rock or two on the show, right? Now, let's see how much money that you are playing for tonight. Tiffany. You're playing for $25,000. Now, Elley, that $25,000 could be anywhere in this deal, so just keep that in mind. Anywhere in this deal, it could pop up, right? So, if you pick something that says $25,000, you win $25,000. Now, we'll start with these three coins. 1, 2, 3. I want you to pick a coin. There's money inside each coin, and hopefully you'll pick the one that says 25 grand.
Oh gosh. Well, I really love the number 3. Number 3 has got, 3. My buddies are saying 3. I'm
okay, so number 3. So this is your coin. Now you can keep your number, or Jonathan has that giant envelope.
Oh.
The corner of the envelope.
Oh. Okay, guys, help me out. I'm gonna stay with the coin.
He's sticking with the coin. Jonathan, what's in the envelope? I'll hold the coin. A baby grand piano. Wow.
This elegant baby grand piano features a hand-rubbed satin ebony finish, premium quality strings and hammers, solid brass hardware, and an all-spruce laminated soundboard. This deal was worth $13,995.
That is a nice baby grand. Okay, so you passed on that. You ready to see how much money's in your coin?
Yeah.
Nope. I can't. Because I'm going to offer you curtain number 3. So Tiffany has curtain number 3 for you, or you keep your coin.
I'm going to stick with the coin.
You're sticking with the coin.
Yeah.
Tiffany, what does she just pass up? Curtain number 3.
$25,000 in cash.
Now, Elley, that's okay, because I did say it could pop up anytime, anywhere. So, who knows? And whatever happens, you're still going home with some money. How much?
$25,000 in cash.
You got $25,000. You did it. $25,000 in cash. Here on Let's Make a Deal Primetime. That's how we get the show started. Congratulations, Elley. Thank you for playing with us. Thank you for playing tonight. And you know what? This is just the start, people. We have a whole week of Let's Make a Deal. So sit down, strap in, get ready for a ride. Thank you so much, Elley. Take a seat.